1956. Concorde was a very fast airplane. It could fly from London to New York in just 3 hours. It flew faster than sound. But one day, it crashed just after takeoff. This is the story of Concorde, how it was made, why it crashed, and what happened after. Concorde was made by France and Britain. It was a special airplane called Supersonic. It flew very fast, twice the speed of sound. It started flying in 1976. Only 20 Concordes were built. It was used by rich and famous people. Concorde had a sharp wing called a delta wing. Its nose could bend down to help pilots see. It flew very high, 60,000 feet. It had strong engines called Olympus. Passengers could see the curve of the earth, but it used a lot of fuel and made a loud noise. Concorde flew between London, Paris, and New York. It took only 3.5 hours to cross the ocean. Tickets were very expensive, around $12,000. Celebrities and leaders loved it. It became a symbol of speed and luxury. Concorde was costly to fly. It could carry only 100 people. It made a loud sonic boom, bend over land. Other planes were cheaper and quieter. People worried about fuel and pollution. On July 25, 2000, Concorde flight 4590 took off from Paris. Another plane had dropped a metal strip on the runway. Concorde ran over it. The tire burst. Pieces hit the wing and broke a fuel tank. Fuel leaked and caught fire. 2 engines stopped working. The plane crashed into a hotel. 109 people on board died. 4 people on the ground also died. The metal strip caused the tire to burst. Tire pieces hit the wing and made a hole. Fuel came out and burned. The plane could not fly well. It was too heavy and had too much drag. The pilots tried to land at another airport, but it was too late. All Concorde were stopped after the crash. Experts studied the problem. They made changes: strong tires, fuel tank with protection, better runway checks. Concorde flew again in 2001. After 9/11, fewer people flew. Concorde was too expensive. It stopped flying in 2003. The last flight was very emotional. Today, Concorde is in museum. Concorde showed what humans can build. It was fast, beautiful, and special. It inspired new ideas. Now, new companies want to build fast planes again, but they must fix problems like noise and cost. Concorde was a big dream, but even great machines can fail. Safety is very important. We must learn from mistakes. Concorde stories about success and sadness. Concorde flew faster than sound, but its story still teaches us today. Would you fly on a supersonic plane? Tell us in the comments. Like, share, and subscribe for more amazing stories.